Liam, are you putting your raining boots on? But it's not raining. Are you putting them on? Boots. It's a little hard to put on. Push, push. Push your feet. It's kind of hard to put them on, especially with your onesie. Good job. Push it in. Push it in. Push. Good pushing. Although this one looks a little crooked. Do you want help? Here, mommy help you, okay? They're not in. Silly, they're not in. Oh, be careful. Okay, Liam, that looks a little scary. It's like a horror movie. Alright. Oh, Liam. Looks like you have two broken legs. Can you walk with that? Here, I'll help you. Poor thing.